Hello everyone. We are going to do a short meditation to love ourselves. Just a simple statement. I love myself. Let's repeat this affirmation as much as you can and let this sink in your subconscious mind that you love yourself and your reality and life will reflect that to you. So let's get started. I love myself. 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 I completely love myself. I completely love myself. I completely love myself. I am in love with myself. I am in love with myself. I am in love with my mind. I am in love with my body. I love myself. I love my mind. I love my body. I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. I truly and fully love myself. I 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 love me. I love myself. 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 Let this sink in your mind and your body that you love yourself. Nothing is greater than self-love. I love myself. I love myself. I truly love myself. I am in love with myself. Oh, I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. I am the best. And I love myself. Oh, I am so beautiful. I love myself. I love everything about myself. I love everything about myself because I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. I love me. I love myself. 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 I completely love myself. I 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 love me. I love myself. 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 Repeat this like a robot if needs to, because it's very important to tell yourself that you love yourself. I love myself. 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 No matter what, I love myself. I love myself. I love myself regardless of what is happening around me and to me. I love myself in all situations. I love myself in all the circumstances. I love myself and I'm safe. I love myself. 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 I completely and fully love myself. I 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 completely love myself. I am in love with myself. I love 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 myself.